Ahoy, sailors! Today is day 2. It is a sea day on my Virgin Voyages cruise, so come with me as I take you on a magical adventure. Good morning, guys. Good morning. This is day 2 of my Virgin Voyages cruise. This morning I'm going to go get a workout in. So I'm going to go to the B complex and see what that has to offer me, because I ate and drank too much last night. So I'm on deck 15 where the B complex is, and then I'm gonna get a good workout. Then I'm gonna go ahead and I think I have brunch. I have brunch at the wake today, so let's get into it. Hey guys, so I had to start my morning off right here on Virgin Voyages. So I went to the B complex to go ahead and get a little workout in. I was on the treadmill, so I had to get some walking in, get my steps in, burn some calories. And it felt really good, actually. So on the way to the wake for brunch, I hear the brunch is delicious. So I'm excited for the wake for brunch. I must say, guys, I was a little disappointed with the brunch here at the wake. It was very underwhelming and not the best for me. I did start off with a fennel and citrus salad, which was pretty good. And I had to get me a Bellini. I love Bellinis. Try it if you never had it. And then I also got an egg in a hole, which was just okay. I also ordered some French toast, which to me was just okay. It wasn't anything spectacular. For me, my experience at the wake for brunch was not the best. I probably wouldn't come back. But if it's your first time on Virgin, definitely try it out for yourself. But the views were really, really nice. The wake was really nice. After brunch, I headed to the arcade, which, I mean, they had all of the old school games. It was really, really cool, actually. And you can play it, you didn't have to pay for it extra. It's all included. They had Mortal Kombat. I was like, oh my God, I have to play Mortal Kombat. And then they had Pac-Man. I was like, okay, I have to play Pac-Man. But yeah, they had all of the games. Stargate. It was really cool. I thought it was very different. They had the old school games in there instead of all the new games. But yeah, the arcade is definitely something to go and check out. I hadn't played Pac-Man in so long. I was kind of rusty, but I got back into the swing of things. But yeah, definitely a great time. I went and I checked out the ice cream place called Lick Me Till Ice Cream, and they had some pretty good flavors there. I think they did change the flavors every day, but I think I tried the strawberry kind. I think it was like some sort of strawberry flavored ice cream, and it was really good. It tasted just like a milkshake. But I also tried an apple one that they had the next day, and that was interesting. But definitely try out the ice cream parlor. Hey guys, so I'm here at Sailor Services because I lost my band. So be careful. Make sure your band is always strapped in, and so that you don't lose it. I lost mine. I don't know where. Probably in between brunch and lick me till I scream. Probably. So I did come to Sailor Service to get a new band. So I have a new band and it says Ahoy Sailor. So yeah, just make sure you guys make sure you keep up with your band and it's secure at all times. I did go up to the deck since this is a Z day and I wanted to see what was going on upstairs. And yes, the pool was definitely packed as usual. But as I was walking around, I did see some binoculars and I said, this is too cute. I thought that was a cute touch version, yes. Shooting a little hoops on this sea day. See if I got the skills. So up here is the track up here on deck 17. So if you want to get your exercise on, you can run the track all the way around and get a great workout in with a gorgeous view of the ocean. Oh my gosh. So pretty. So pretty. Hey guys, so I am out here on my balcony and just taking a little break because tonight we have some things planned, honey. So I'm gonna go to Gun Bay for dinner tonight, so I'm excited about that. It's Korean barbecue, so I'm interested in seeing how that tastes. And then we do have a show going on before that, and then we'll probably end up at the Manor, which is the nightclub, at the end of dinner because I haven't been to the Manor yet, so we'll see how that goes. So right now, just taking a break. This is a sea day, so I'm gonna watch some movies. I just ordered some ship eats, and so when that comes, I'll show you what I got, and then I'm gonna watch some movies, take a little break, and then after that I think I'll start getting dressed for the show and for dinner tonight. So yeah, I'm having such a wonderful time, guys. It's really relaxing. Yeah, the whole no kids thing, perfect. Okay, so yeah, once my food comes, I'll check in with you guys. So my ship eats finally came and they came in and set it all up, took it out the bag and everything and set it up for me. So that was pretty cool. But yeah, I ordered a little bit of everything. Got like a burger. Um, got some, I think that's a charcuterie board, however you say it. Got some of that. Got a little dessert, little red velvet, my fave. And got some drinks. Got a little margarita. That was pretty good, actually, that smoked margarita. But yeah, this was my burger and the little chips that they had. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and eat this food and then relax. So I went to a show very spur of the moment. I saw a line, jumped in it, and it was called the Ship Show. And it's basically a variety show. And it's actually a pretty good show if you're able to catch it.
Make some noise for all of you, the shit show band and the shit show dancers. How are we feeling, beautiful people?
Now, little did I know that this was a dinner and a show, honey. So I got to drink and eat. So they brought out pretty much like a 4-course meal, and the items looked kind of, well, you see. It was okay, but it was a preset meal, so you got to eat. They just brought out the food to you and watch the show. Like I said, it was a variety show, so they had several acts doing several things. And like I said, I really enjoyed it. I really thought that it was a good variety show. If you can catch it, definitely try to make it. Came from the Ship Show. It was so fun. Really fun show. Make sure you see the Ship Show. It's a dinner and a show, like a variety show. So very entertaining. Thumbs up. If you're at all interested in getting tattoos, they do have a tattoo parlor on the ship called Squid Ink. So if you are looking to get some tattoos and be different, be bold, they have it right there. And they have excellent tattoo artists. Hey guys, so I'm on the way to Gun Bay. I am dressed and ready. Okay, so I will see you at the restaurant. So you guys know I had to give you a little fashion show before I headed to dinner, and this is compliments of Sheen. So I'm on my way to Gun Bay, which is the Korean barbecue spot here on Virgin Voyages. And I have to say it was not my best. I'm really not a big seafood eater anyways, but I did feel rushed by our server. I felt like the service was kind of lacking. And then we didn't really get a chance to play the game because we did have a couple people at our table who didn't want to partake, and that's fine. So I guess my experience wasn't what everyone else's was. Like I said, the food was just okay. The thing that I liked the most was the spicy chicken. It was really good. I had 2 helpings, and even though we didn't play the game, they still gave us shots of soju. After dinner, went straight to the manor where we got some pictures. This is the perfect Instagram picture spot, believe me. Heading straight into the club, and we pretty much danced the night away. And this was my first time in the manor, so I had a great time. Which was awesome. It was a dance party, and I danced, had a drink, and partied. It was a great time. So if you ever are on Scarlet, lady, go to the manor, to the dance party. It's always a blast, so fun. So right now, I'm not sure what we're gonna do because it's still kind of early, but I don't know, but we'll see. So wherever I'm at in this next clip, that's what I'm doing. So I went to a bar called On the Rocks. It was on deck 6, and they had a band playing, and let me tell you, they were so good. They pretty much played like R&B, reggae, soul music, and they also took requests, but they were playing. The drummer was drumming. He was getting it. And the vocalist, he was very good. And the keyboardist, he was keyboarding. I mean, I can't say anything else, but they were awesome. If you ever get a chance, make sure you catch them. They're late at night, like around 11:30 p.m., but don't miss them.
I'm getting a little bit lonely. I don't want more to say. Oh, for love, I say.
Guys, that band was jamming. I think we're gonna go to the club one more time and then head back to the room.
Everything reminds me of you, but everything is not enough. Feeling out by the ocean, and on those white hot sands, where every sunrise is just for you. So come along and take my hand.
Oh my god. Okay guys, so I am ending the vlog. This is going to be the end of day 2. It was such a good time. I do have pizza. I did go to the pizza place here on Virgin and got me some pizza. I would show you it, but it's just a regular pepperoni, but the next time I get it, I'll show you. But for right now, it's late. It's like 1 a.m. We have Cozumel tomorrow. So make sure you guys stay tuned for Cozumel, which is in my next vlog. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And remember, the world is calling. Answer it. See you in the next video.